Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove this handle, I'm going to take a straight blade screwdriver and a 90-degree pick. There's a little slot right here. I'll take my pick on this side. I'm just going to pull this out, this little cover. We'll do the same for the back side. A slot right there and a slot on this side. You can use 2 screwdrivers if you need to. Just pull that cover off like that. And to get the handle off, I can take the screwdriver, just slide this little pin like that, and that will slide there. And same for this one. And then pull the handle out, just like that. These 2 little clips, you can just squeeze them and they come out, just like that. To reinstall the handle, we're just going to put these clips in here, squeeze it, have it just like it was when it was installed. Same with this side, just squeeze the clip, just like that. And we can push this back on. Like that, and then we'll line up these covers, push it down. Same with this one, just line the cover up, push it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.